Who's that? Who's that?
Come here. Come here. Come here, Buffy. Girl, come here. Come here. Come here. Want me to help you?
This is Buffy's home now.
This is Buffy's house.
Hi, sweet girls.
Let's play a game called Show Buffy the House. She says I'm still quite a bit shy right now. And I've been licking Mama's hand. And I went potty. Buffy, let's see how you feel about something in here, okay? Okay? Now, are you getting a little scared? What's in here? I know what we could put in here that might help. Remember him? Remember this? You know this. Maybe this could go in here, Buffy. Where's this going? Where's this going? Oh no. Alright, let's find Buffy a little bit.
No, she sees it.
Food?
Buffy. Look. You gonna take this?
No, I'm gonna get some food ready and maybe she'll come in here. Okay.
It's a pretty cute girl here.
1/4 cup food and 1/2 cup water.
Hi, Buffy. Come here, sweetheart. Come here. Come here. Buffy, is this your new home?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure what this is, mister. I've never met you.
I've been driving for the last 6 hours. You know who I am.
Here. Let's see if it helps to put some water down. I'm gonna let the food keep soaking.
Sweetheart, this is your home over here. You want to see it?
Hey, you know what? It might help if Mama gets in here.
Look, go to Mama.
Oh.
Look, Buffy.
Buffy.
Look. Look.
Come here. Can you play?
You go to Mama.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Buffy.
Buffy, look.
Buffy. She doesn't
Over
know her
here.
name yet.
Buffy.
Sweetie. Come here.
Oh, come here, you. You're so small. Come here.
Here, we'll put this tag
Look,
in here.
here she goes. Look.
Oh, sweetie.
She's going into her
You
home.
want to come in here?
Oh,
Here. She said I almost made it in.
I almost made it.
Come here. Let me see. Come here. Let's see this nice thing. Who's this friend?
Is that your baby Draco next to you? Is that your baby Draco? Is that your crab? Look.
So now I'm starting to understand what's happening a little more. And I'm getting
Is
kind
that
of
your
scared.
crab and your baby Draco?
Yeah. Are you in the bed? Oh, there we go.
I think she's home.
Perfect. I think that's a good spot to be.
Yeah.
Yeah, that seems okay, right?
I think these are going to be some happy girls. Yeah.
You know this is a good one to be with you tonight. Because you met this one already. Now you have a friend, see?
She likes her bed.
Yes, she does. Of course I do. I think I'm a little shy. Okay. Good night.